Hello, everyone. This week we are having our close reading workshop. And during that workshop, we're also going to be having our conferences. That is 10 minutes where you get on Zoom and we have a chat about your paper. Go over your thesis, go over your outline, even look at a paragraph if you have something done. And if you're not there yet, don't freak out because I can help you get there. I will work with you wherever you're at in the conference and get you where you need to be going. So to get to this, you can use the link on Blackboard, or if you notice here on the sidebar, I have our close reading workshop. And this is where you are going to see both the signups for the two classes, as well as all of the activities that we're going to be doing this week that work directly on your paper. That is, let's look at the rubric and figure out what are the requirements for this assignment. Let's go through how to make a title, how to make a thesis. The thesis is the anchor of this paper. If you get the thesis right, the rest just follows. And then let's look at what does an actual paper look like? Like, what is a good body paragraph? What's the difference between analysis and summary? All of these things so that you're going to look at these and then you're going to do them on your paper. And then, of course, at the end, you're going to have our close reading party, just like our summary party, where you go up and you post a video. And in this video, you're not going to read your paper. You're just going to go over the thesis and some highlights. So put in your name, put in the link. You all know the drill by now. So be sure to come here, sign up for one of our conferences during your class time. If these times don't work, email me today, Monday, so that I can set up something with you and we can go over this paper. All right? I really look forward to talking with each of you. Have a great week.